Assalamualaikum and hi to all. So let's continue our lesson on 4.1. So this time we are going to focus on the transpose of a matrix. So which is the part C. Okay. So what is a transpose matrix? So it is written as A with superscript capital T. So let's say your matrix A is M by N. So the transpose matrix will be N by M. So the matrix is obtained by interchanging the ith column of the A matrix to the ith row of a transpose matrix. So let's take a look at the animation. So the first row will become the first column of the transpose matrix, and the second row becomes the second column, and finally the third row will become the third column. So that is what will happen for your transpose matrix. So now let's take a look at another example. So the first row will become the first column of the transpose of matrix D, second row will be the second column, and lastly the third row will become the third column. So now let's try a few examples, but before that, this is the properties of the transpose matrix that you need to know, and I'm going to show you on the next example how to apply them all. Let A be a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, B 3, 4, 2, 1, and C 1, 4, 3, 2. So all of this matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So the first property states that A plus B transpose will be equals to the A transpose but plus B transpose. So we are going to show this by find the left hand side and find the right hand side and check whether there are the same results or not. And then we transpose the matrix. So 4, 6, 5, 5. So note that the first row will become the first column, okay, and the second row will become the second column. So that is how we find the transpose of a matrix. So now let's try on the right hand side. Now we transpose this matrix. So now we can see that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. That means A plus B transpose is actually the same as A transpose plus B transpose. So we have already proved the first properties. Okay. Now let's try 4A part 2. Show that the product of BC transpose is the same as finding C transpose multiplied by B transpose. So are they really true? Now let's try the left hand side first. Okay. So since matrix B and C are both 2 by 2, so we can do the multiplication operation, and the result will be a 2 by 2 matrix as well. that is the result for the left hand side. Now the result for the right hand side. So So we can see that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side as well. And we have shown that the product of BC transpose is actually the same as finding the C transpose multiplied by the B transpose first. And shown. Alright, for the next example, I'm going to show you on the next video. Thank you and bye bye.